Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to enable Firefox WebRender for faster page rendering. If we want smoother browsing or better performance in Firefox, this tutorial is for us. First, in our Firefox browser, we need to go to the URL bar at the top of the browser. Here, we type about config. Once we are here, we will see a warning prompt. We just need to accept it and continue. Now, on this page, we need to type gfx.webrender.on. As we can see, it is set to false. We need to change this to true to enable WebRender. This will make our Firefox browser faster. WebRender uses our device's GPU to improve how pages are displayed, giving us better speed and performance. Now we know how to enable Firefox WebRender and get a faster, smoother browsing experience. We hope this was helpful, and we will see you in the next tutorial.